You know, I'm the best teleporter ever. You saw me before, right? Yeah, I'm going to show my teleporting skills again. This is called Teleporter 2. Word. That was just so awesome. Like, look at this. This button is just like horrible. I'm gonna like chuck it at you. See, like, oh, I can stab you. I'm gonna teleport again. Not with the button on. Okay. Look at these teleporting skills. So awesome. In the next video, I'm gonna teach you how to teleport. Oh, now, remember me, I was an awesome teleporter. I was just so good. You know, I'm going to teleport again. Watch this time.